Good day everyone, I'm Henry Haniel Bibalisi and I'm a proud member of the Workers' Justice Alliance Philippines, a civic organization that stands up for the workers' right and human dignity. And welcome to our another episode of our daily talks. Today we're gonna talk about wages or the salary of the employee. Our mission is simple, to make sure every worker is treated fairly, respected, and paid enough to live a decent life, not just to survive. No? So there's a lot of Filipino kasi today, no, they are working for survival, not for investment or for their future rin. No? Bakit nga ganun? No? Today, I'm here to speak up for one of the most important workers' right, the right of the living wage. Under Presidential Decree 442 or the Labor Code of the Philippines, workers are entitled to just a human condition of work including fair compensation. But in reality, is many Filipino workers struggles to make ends meet despite working long hours. When workers receive a living wages, everyone's benefits, no, including families become more stable. Children are staying in school and communities grow stronger. Businesses are also benefited because fairly paid and workers are more motivated, productive, and loyal. Of course, all of the Filipino was more motivated lalo na kung patas yung kanilang mga sahod. No? A living wage strengthens the economy and promotes social justice. No? And we have role to play. So we have a role to play. Support organization that advocates for fair wages. Speak up for workers' rights. And most important, let's stand with our dignity. Because a fair day's works deserve a fair pay. Maraming salamat at sama-sama tayong lumaban para sa karapatan ng mga manggagawa.